Hello, my fabulous crocheters. I'm Babushka Elena, and I welcome you to my stitch garden. This video is part 3 for the beautiful border that decorates this summer shawl. In the first 2 parts, I made this border around 2 sides of the shawl. This is the bottom corner of the shawl, so this border goes around 2 sides. This video is for the top border, only the top of the shawl. There are only 2 rows that are very easy beginner level. Let's look at the chart. You're welcome to download it from the link in the description. The first row is cool single stitches that make a base for the second row of fan pattern, where 5 double stitches go in the same single stitch in the previous row. Let's start.
The street lights hum a lonely tune. The moon wears a veil of gloom. A cigarette burns through the night as shadows dance in neon light. The jukebox whispers tales of woe, where lovers meet and then let go. A glass of whiskey in my hand, the world slips through, they're like grains of sand. Oh, shadows of the neon glow, take my heart where you dare to go. A slow dance with the pain we feel in the dark where time won't heal. The clock strikes 12, it doesn't care. The weight of dreams hangs in the air. A siren wails far down the lane. Its echo hums a sweet refrain. The ghost of us walks side by side through alleys where lost hopes reside. Each step we take, a faded cry, as love dissolves into the sky. Oh, shadows of the neon glow, take my heart where you dare to go. A slow dance with the pain we feel in the dark where time won't heal.
Street lights hum low in the night, shadows dance in pale moonlight. Worn out shoes on a broken road, heavy heart carrying the load. Cigarette The smoke swirls and fades. Lonely diner and its neon haze. Coffee cold, but the time drips slow. Empty faces, nowhere to go. Moonlight drive takes me away from all the things I couldn't say. Silent whispers in the dark.
My dear crocheters, the top of the shawl is finished, but there is more to do to complete this project. And for that, I will see you in the next video. Thank you for being with me today, and as always, stay fabulous. I love you all.